GridPad 10S is our most powerful 10-inch communication aid yet. The high-quality engineering and unique set of features bring you a versatile device that is perfect for getting your message across quickly and using all the features within Grid. Choose from a wide range of AAC resources for communicating with symbols and text.
I like it.
Use accessible tools for social media, listening to music, changing the channel on your TV, and much more. The second screen adds a whole new way to communicate by displaying your message or Simoji at the front of the device. Designed for ease of use and portability, there are lots of options for positioning, and the screen has a daylight bright and anti-glare display, making it even easier to see when you are out and about. Antimicrobial technology embedded within the device helps to keep it cleaner for longer, and the robust IP-rated case has been drop tested to 1 meter. Ready to use with switch and touch access. GridPad 10S is available now. Find out more at thinksmartbox.com/GridPad 10S.